Hey guys, welcome back to Global Scale channel. Today's video we are on part 3 and this build has been really good challenge. So after I got the Jeep for the first time, you saw how we got it. We got it for a really good deal. It was 1,900. That's the reason I thought, you know what? We got this car for a really good deal. Why do we have to make it the same like the other build? So I decided I'm gonna strip this car all the way to bare metal and we're gonna make it in a different color, all brand new color. So I hope you guys like this video. So today I'm gonna start taking up all the parts and from there we're gonna get it ready for paint. So guys, it took me a lot of hours to get this job done. So please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications anytime we upload a new video. And before you guys go, today's video is sponsored by Olight. This is a really cool little piece. This one has 3 options, 3 modes. First one is the light and it has the laser UV light. Check this out. First, second, third level. Check this out. That was quite of work right now. Guys, we're done with this one. As soon as I get the new parts, I'm gonna install it and then I'm gonna put you in video as well so you can see what they did. Let's go. Guys, check this out. Remember how it was really bent all the way in? Now I was able to just pull it outside using just very basic stuff. You can use it in your own garage, so it's not something that's hard to do. So I'm trying to fix this one as best as I can. Right after this one, I'm gonna send the whole car and rebuild the new color. Are you guys ready? Let's go. god, this Jeep has a lot of screws everywhere. So look, I found another one. Look where it's hidden, all the way. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's already right here. Where's my fingers at? Right there. So probably one from each side. Right there is the other one. Right there is the other one. Right there. Right there. Alright guys, so by doing this, I was able to take all the parts that you've seen on this video, and now I'm gonna get the car ready for the paint or for the new color. About this new color, I'm gonna leave that on the comment section below for you guys to choose what color we're gonna paint this. So I'm gonna see you on the next video for a new color, so stay tuned. Let's go. See you soon when it's ready.